Hello friends, welcome to the unboxing of the coolest new phone of 2026, the Razr Fold 2026. As soon as Motorola announced this, I was so excited I pre-ordered it right away. This is the Pantone Lily White model with 512 gigabytes. You can also get this with a terabyte of storage. So let's go ahead and take a look inside here. Oh, that didn't work. Alright, here we go. Wow. Look at this cutout in the box for the camera. Holy moly. This is supposed to be the most advanced camera on a folding phone. We got the SIM ejection tool in a little paper packet there. Everything in this packaging is paper, so there's no plastic. It can all be recycled. We got the charging cable here. A little bit of information here. It says read me. Alright. And here is the phone itself. Oh, there's a little pull tab here to get it out. It says, thanks for choosing our products. Do not remove the pre-installed screen protector or add another one, as this will damage the display. Holy moly. Look at this. It has Sony Lydia sensors, I think that's how that's pronounced, in all three cameras. We have a periscoping telephoto. This is the ultra wide and the macro, and this is the main camera right here. Look how thin this thing is. Right here, the phone is barely even thicker than the charging part, but then you flip it around to this side, and you have this massive camera bump, so they could pack these huge sensors in there and the periscope telephoto. Wow. Look at that. That thing is a thing of beauty. It's got the super slim hinge like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 has, and the newest generation of Razrs. Versus when the Motorola Razr first came out, it had like a much fatter hinge that was like the full width of the phone. Let's go ahead and eject that SIM card tray. It does have a slot for a SIM card, a physical SIM card right here, and it also takes eSIM. I'm kind of disappointed they didn't make it have expandable storage, because you do have a whole lot of space here where you could just make this tray a little bit bigger and put an expandable card in there. All right, let's get this thing powered up. Look at that Razr, powered by Android. Probably. Oh yeah, look at that Razr on the inside, Razr on the outside. I love this white. It's like a matte, but if you look up at it super close, it has a grain almost like wood. It does. It's very, very pretty looking. I love the stainless steel. So you have this brushed stainless steel here around the camera. You could see the brushed stainless steel, and then same with the rail is also brushed stainless steel all the way around the body. Just absolutely beautiful, this phone. It's got a plethora of cameras. We got 3 on the back, 1 on the inside, and 1 on the front up here. Little punch hole camera. We're going to go ahead and get this device set up.